This is proof. Isn't this a beautiful sight of Supertunia, Vista, Bubblegum? And we have some lantana. I don't want to have to take this up, but this is my last day at this property for the year, and I'm putting in bulbs. So I am going to begin doing that as soon as I turn this off, and I will show you the outcome. Something I wanted to make note of, there was 3 Supertunia Vista bubblegums, one over there, one here, and this is the third. This is one plant, guys. One single Supertunia Vista plant that comes in that little 4.5 inch container that you see at a lot of the nurseries. Well, let me show you. This is proof. All of that is from one plant. So if you have not tried Supertunia Vistas, maybe this will change your mind. Since I also wanted to mention, while I am pulling up the lantana, there was only 2 of them. This one that's still in the ground, and this is the root of the other. They get pretty large. It was a small 4x5 plant as well. So if you ever want this to repeat this look, you see how big the plants get. And yeah, this is the remnants of the lantana. So these are the bulbs I'm going to be putting in. These are picked up at Home Depot. There's 30 bulbs, $14.98 each. I liked the pink and red. I think that will be pretty for this area. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that should fill that area up really nicely. So I'm going to use my auger to quickly put in 120 bulbs, and then I'm going to drop them into the hole. I never use any type of fertilizer. I just go ahead and put the bulbs in, cover it up, and I am done. So that is what I'm going to do. The bed is clear and raked out, and I'm going to remove those weeds. But yeah, it's clear, and I'm getting ready to start making the holes for the bulbs. All right, my holes are done with the auger, and I'm going to put in the bulbs and cover them up. All right, I am done with the bulbs. They are all in, and I am going to just wait until spring to see how beautiful they will be. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.